Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just got done with my beach walk and I went into Merida yesterday. Get my nails done, yay. And pedicure and manicure, and to do some errands. So welcome back to my channel. I'm Expat Rebel Chris, and I have been documenting on this vlog my mostly pool renovation, but I bought a house here in Yucatan, Mexico, on the beach communities, and we are installing a pool, which I've been showing off in various vlogs. Now, yesterday we got home pretty late. It was really dark, so we couldn't really see it. But the new stuff that they did is they stuck in the 2 bar stools. They're almost done with that. The space they stuck in, they kind of fleshed out this section here more. This is just like a seating area. That's the shallow end, and the steps go into the deep end here. This is for me doing my pool exercises, and they're almost done with the island there, and they stuck a step there and over there behind that bucket. So I think today, yeah, and it's Mexican Independence Day, so they're actually coming to work. They're paid on not an hourly, but on a project price with certain deadlines when we pay out in installments. But they voted, all the crew voted to work on today because they're close and they want to finish, get the final payment, and move on to their next job. So I get that, but happy Mexican Independence Day. We have no power, so hopefully the next door neighbors threw an epic Mexican Independence Day party last night that went into the middle of the night until the neighborhood lost power. And our solar guy is installing in about a month, so we don't have that as a backup, and the generator that came with the place does not work. So we're having to not have power right now, as that is an issue for me. I can't make breakfast, my standard breakfast. I'm gonna have to do my backup breakfast. So that's what they did yesterday. They also painted one of the doors. I showed in an earlier episode how they painted our front door, which is up 1 level, and have a solid door, and it was a great door. It's just that it had claw marks from the pets that the previous owners had in it, and so we had him fix that and paint it. And he did that for the casita room, the building. Actually, it's actually a separate building. That's pretty cute, isn't it? So he did that yesterday. Great job. We like the paint guy. He did the most of all of the interior, and he's going to do this laundry room door, I think, today, and then our bedroom door after that, and then I think he'll be done. So the pool people, of course, have a lot to finish. We got the solar guy that's going to put solar panels up here on top of the bodega. That'll be the powerhouse, and that's where the generator that doesn't work is. And currently be solar panels on top, and then we're gonna have them put a sidewalk in all the way to the beach gate that I just came through, so that we don't have to trample sand everywhere, which is an issue. We have little mats everywhere. We wear sandals to minimize this, but we do tend to need to sweep a lot. So we want a nice sidewalk to fix that problem. And we got a couple other projects as well. We'll be at this probably for probably another 2 months, maybe more. And then we'll have some other projects probably next year. We're gonna take a break and just enjoy the place once these are done before we tackle a couple of more. So that's it for here. Be sure that you like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions about doing a Mexican home renovation or on the beach as well. Definitely some different issues being on the beach. We always make sure when we ask everybody about, especially buying equipment, you know, does this work on the beach? Because when you're in the big city of Merida, which is an hour south, some things will just rot here on the beach really quickly, and it would last for years in Merida. So you got to be careful what you buy. We'll always ask our construction people and our electrician and our plumber and everybody, you know, about anything we buy, and go on recommendations, to say the least. So if you got any comments about that, or just some encouraging words saying hi, I like the videos, go for it, please. Appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to see more videos like this and some additional travel videos. I am going to Uxmal next week, so I plan to have a video about that. Been there many times. Love it. And we're going to go back for the first time since the start of the pandemic. So it was closed actually for quite a few months. It's now open though. And so we're gonna go back, and we like the area, but we've been really kind of focused on our house, getting it kind of up to snuff for now. And hit that bell notification if you want to get notified as soon as these videos drop. As I mentioned, there's no power right now, so I'm recording this on Mexican Independence Day. Happy birthday, Mexico. But I'm not sure when it's going to get posted due to the power outage. We do have fiber optic internet. In fact, we have 2 separate routers, 2 different accounts, because we have 2 different buildings is why, which is great, because for the first 2 months only one worked. The other one took a while to get working again. But of course they don't work without power, and we don't have the solar in yet with the big huge backup battery. So right now we're having to deal with that. So I'm not sure when this will be posted, but it'll be posted as soon as I can. Hey, thank you for tuning in to Expat Rebel, and I appreciate all the watches, and I will see you next time.